Welcome. Today we'll be doing a little quiz. It's not an ordinary one, but it checks your soul element. There are 7 easy-peasy questions and 4 options given to each of them. Count the hearts given with them. Let's start. Question 1. Which one of these do you like the most to relax? Question 2. Take a quote you like. Question 3. Select a magical stone. Question 4. Do you have a pet? Yes. More than one? No. Planning to buy one? Question 5. Select a poem. Question 6. Choose a beautiful dress. Question 7. Pick a song. Great job! You are now in the end of the quiz. Shall we look into the results? If you got points from 4 to 9, you are air. You love to walk freely. Nice. If you got points from 10 to 14, you are water. You love to go with the flow. Don't you? If you got points from 15 to 19, you are fire. You are bold and brave. Cool. If you got points from 20 to 24, you are earth. You are nature's person. Am I right? If you got points from 25 to 28, you are a bit of every element. Comment down below which one you got. See you soon.